What's going on, guys? Welcome back, LEOPAZZO Productions. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to be having a closer look at this brand new multi-tool. This is the Black Snipe Everyday Carry Portable Flashlight Multi-Tool and made by VSGO. So stick with me, guys. So guys, here it is, small and compact, only weighing 46 grams and only measures approximately 2 inches in diameter. It is very nice to see that it has built-in light. So if you actually look when I turn it on by just simply pressing the button here into the middle, that light that it's giving off actually looks really nice. I like the way that it kind of flares over there into the lens, into the camera. And here is the medium brightness for the side light, and here is the high brightness for the side light. So we have 3 different modes as far as the side light, low, medium, and high, and next will be off. We do also have the main light, which is right over here into the face of it. So for you to turn on the main light, what you want to do is just go ahead and press down the button here into the middle, and now we have the main light set to low. So if we press it one more time, that's going to be the main light set to medium. Here we have the main light set to maximum brightness. And here we have a flashing white light as well. And to go along with that, we do also have the flashing red. So it's nice to see that we have a bunch of different lighting configurations built in over here, easy to use with the one button. So if you need to open up some packages or cut open some cardboard boxes or cut some rope or material, or even tighten up a flathead screw, we do have that option right over here with this built-in ECD tool over here. If we go ahead and flip around this tool right over here to the back, you'll notice that we do have this plastic clip, which is magnetic. So we can actually connect this clip, for an example, to our shirt or jacket or pants or pocket, even like our hat, a baseball cap or whatnot. So we do have multiple different options as far as using this built-in clip over here. But if we wanted to, we could actually remove this magnetic clip, and now we have the magnet here built in right to the back of this ECD tool. And the magnet is not weak whatsoever. Just to give you an example, this thing just kind of clicks into place over here. So it's really nice to see that they've also thought of that removable clip and also having the built-in magnet. Really well thought out. So next, let's go ahead and talk about the battery life and the options as far as charging. So talking about charging, we do have a USB-C port over here at the side of the unit, which is going to allow us to plug it into the wall and charge it via the USB to USB-C cable, which is included, or we can also charge it with a power bank, for an example, as well. If you need to be mobile and free and you don't really have somewhere to plug it into the wall, we can also use a power bank to charge it, which is really nice. It does have a 200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, and again, depending on which mode brightness that you are using, either the main light, which is brighter, or we have the side light, depending on which mode you are on, low, medium, or high, is also going to vary how long the battery life is going to last. Having a closer look over here at the side of this multi-tool kit, you will notice this little metal ring, which is basically going to allow us to easily connect it to our keychain. It's really nice to see that they just added a few different options as far as being able to carry it around every day. So we do have the keychain option, again, the clip option, the magnetic option. So it's really multifunctional little tool over here. I'm really impressed with that. Makes it easy for us to carry it around. All right, guys, it looks like we reached that time of the video to give you my overall thoughts and opinion of this EDC tool made by VSGO. If you guys cannot tell already, I am impressed with the build quality. I am really impressed also with how bright the light is and all the different settings and how easy it is to use. I do appreciate that it does have that flathead screwdriver built in as well. Overall, I am impressed with this kit. It's easy to clip on, magnetic, all of these kind of features that are built in. Overall, I'm going to say if you're looking for a tool that has a light and a flathead screwdriver and overall just easy to be able to carry around every day, I think this might be a good option for you. Any questions or concerns or anything, let me know down in the comment section down below. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time, peace.